Look, Emily is carrying a mountain of books again. Maybe her books are her only friends at school.
Please let me pass. I need to get to class.
Say please louder, because I cannot hear you.
Move, Jason! Stop blocking her way!
Relax, Mia. It is just a little joke.
It is not funny when someone feels hurt. It is okay, Mia. Let us just go.
Go ahead, Book Princess. Enjoy your royal walk.
I hate coming to school when this happens.
Good morning, class. I am happy to see you.
Good morning, teacher. We are ready to learn.
Today, we will start a group project together.
Projects are easy for me. This will be simple.
Emily, Mia, Jason, and Noah are one group.
What? I have to work with Emily.
Yes, Jason. Be respectful to your classmates. Hey.
This will be hard, but I will try. I am with you, Emily. Do not worry. We can make a poster about kindness.
Of course you choose kindness. That sounds boring.
Kindness sounds boring, but maybe it is easy. It is the project topic, so please focus. Kindness matters, even when people forget it.
Not in the real world, Emily.
Careful, Emily. Do not drop your tiny lunch.
Please stop. I only want to eat peacefully.
Did someone whisper, or was that the wind? Leave her alone. You are being mean again.
Jason, maybe you should stop now.
Whose side are you on, Noah?
Yeah?
Gawina.
I just think it is too much today.
Fine. Eat without me if you care so much.
Jason, why are you always so mean to her?
I am not mean. I am just strong.
Huh? Strong people do not hurt quiet people. Papa. You sound like a teacher right now. What is this paper inside my locker? Final payment due tomorrow? That cannot be good. Are you okay, Jason? You look worried.
I am fine, Noah. Stop asking questions.
Jason, I lost my extra work this month.
What about my school payment, Dad?
I am trying, son. I really am.
Will I have to leave school soon?
I hope not. I am doing everything I can.
Do not tell anyone about this, please.
You do not need to be ashamed of hard times.
I am not ashamed. I just hate this.
You are not alone, Jason.
I am here. Jason is very quiet today. That feels strange. Maybe something happened to him. Yeah.
Class, please listen carefully for a moment. Some students still need to complete school payments. No. Imprescindibles, please do not say that now.
Is it you, Jason? Are you in trouble? Be quiet. Do not talk about it. What am I going to do now? Jason, are you okay? You look upset. Why do you care after everything? Because you look sad, and sadness matters. Go laugh at me. That is what I deserve. I will not laugh at your problem. My dad cannot pay the school fee. I am sorry, Jason. That must feel scary. I may have to leave this school.
Ways out there.
Maybe we can talk to Miss Clara together. No! Everyone will know, and I cannot face that! Teachers can help quietly if you ask them. Why are you helping me after I hurt you? Because needing help is not shameful. I was horrible to you every day. Yes, you were, and it hurt me. I am sorry, Emily. I really mean it. Start by accepting help, then change your actions. I'm in. Miss Clara, Jason needs help with something important.
Jason, you can tell me. This is a safe place.
My dad cannot pay this month. I know I messed up, miss.
Thank you for telling me the truth.
You are not angry with me? You are not angry with me?
No. Families can have hard times.
The school has a support fund for situations like this.
A support fund? Could it really help me?
Yes, we can help with the payment.
Thank you. I feel like I can breathe again.
See? You are not alone in this.
Emily, I really am sorry for everything. Your words hurt me many times. I know, and I cannot take them back. I was scared, so I acted cruel. I know I messed up. Pain does not give you the right to hurt people. I understand now, and I want to be better. Jason, are you okay now? I asked for help, and Emily helped me. That is good. I am good. I am glad you told someone. Everyone, I need to say something. I was mean to Emily, and that was wrong. She helped me. She helped me when I did not deserve it.
That is how people grow and become kinder.
Kindness.
Kindness can change even a mean heart.